Hey Chris here. In this video, I wanted to share with you a completely free site that can be used on both mobile and desktop, which provides you with property deals that you can find in Dubai using AI technology. The site in question that's going to do this for us is called Realiste, and here on their homepage, all you need to do to get started with this is click on this Explore Now, No Sign Up button. The link for the homepage will be down in the description. When you click that button to get started with this is what it's going to load up for you. Now, with our filter just set on Dubai here, you can see there's available projects of 294, and across the top here, you can actually go on to developers. So there it's showing there's 100 developers available. We can then go on to locations, and that's going to give us 152 locations in Dubai that we can filter through and find these property deals at. Just beneath the projects, developers, and locations tab there, you've got this layers, which you can select this, and then you can select things like average square foot price. So we'll go ahead and check that out. And it's going to give us the, of course, average square foot price for properties in Dubai. That's really handy because it allows you to specifically find properties that will be within your price range. Now, what I want to do next is actually go through a live example of searching for a specific area. So we're going to click on locations here, and then we're going to go ahead and click on this search button here. You can see it's brought all the areas up. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to search for Shobha Heartland. So we'll go ahead, type in that Shobha Heartland, and it's going to come up there, and we'll select that one. That's going to load that area straight up for us and show us the average square foot price in US dollars there, which we can change into whatever currency we like. It's showing that there's green space there currently, and then it's showing 2 schools there. We can click on infrastructure for coming infrastructure, and there it's showing that there'll be some water infrastructure there. And the reason why that infrastructure of water and green space is important for properties in Dubai is because it has a big effect on what the future price could be. Now, if we scroll down a touch, you can see on top of the average square foot price, you can see the average price of properties, so 613,079 US dollars. Then you got the rental yield, so 5.5% there, 33,719 US dollars per year. Got the average sales recorded there in the last 12 months. And then you got further information to do specifically with number of rooms data. So there's just so much information here. Studio, 1-bed, 2-bed, or 3-bedroom properties there. Now, if we look at this location in particular in more detail, we'll go ahead and click on projects. And that's going to load up the, obviously, current developing projects that are happening in the Shobha Heartland area. Saying there's 6 available projects here. So let's go ahead and select this Creek Vistas Heights Tower A here as our example. Now that's brought us into this specific project here, and it's showing us the way that the windows are viewing, which is a big deal for potential buyers or renters when looking at a property, of course. If we click on Show Unit, that's going to give us some further information. And as you can see here, the further information is that, yes, it is indeed available. It qualifies for the Realiste Risk Shield, and that is basically a risk shield investment opportunities. So Realiste utilizes artificial intelligence to analyze risk and selects high-yielding projects, and they conduct their checks through developers and projects based on over 200 parameters. It's also listed as having great views and a good layout. You can see it's a 2-bedroom, 968 square foot, the price there, and then you have a predicted market price growth here. So currently $656,000, as we say, and then by August 2028, it's saying a forecast price of $874,500. You get further information on here, like important events that may negatively or positively impact the potential price growth of the property. And then further down, you have so layout of the property. You've got photos that you can cycle through here and have, a better look at what the property looks like inside, of course. Then as well, you can click on the video section, which is, of course, a YouTube video showing you that area and what you can expect from it. Further down, you've got the payment plan. So what that developer offers as a payment plan to get the property purchased there. And then you even have a profit calculator, which you can mess around with and toggle with. And it's going to show you your return on investment, expected rents, expected revenues, etc., etc. And it's all very, very clever stuff that you can do on Realiste here. And then finally, you can actually click the Reserve Now button, which is a refundable deposit of $100, which then puts you in contact with the developers themselves. So to summarize then, I really like how Realiste provides all this information to you for completely free in a great looking package, and it's suitable for beginners or experienced investors alike. Please comment your thoughts on Realiste down below. Of course, tap the like button if you've had any value from this video. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.